Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I'll be showing you how to set up the modmail bot. So let's get right into it. Add the bot to the server. I will give the dashboard link in the description. Add the bot to the server. Give it all the permissions. Authorize it. Verify yourself. And there. Okay, I'm verified now. Bot is on the server. Let's start setting up. Set up. You can create staff roles. I will create 3 roles. Staff, support, and moderators. Okay there. So what I do is write access role and ping the roles which you want to give the access to, like this and this. Leave the space in between the roles while pinging them, and also you can write ping role at moderators at support. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so whenever anyone messages, so the bot will ping these 2 rows and the people and your staff will be notified instantly. So let's try it out. I will give myself support role and test this. Okay there, select your server in the list. And I've been notified by the ping. You can write hi. There. You can close the ticket if you want by writing any reason which is needed. For example, like this. And modmail log has done the logging, as you can see. So let's see some commands. Okay, let's try this one for you all. 1 minute. Okay, there. Now anonymous has been set up, so I will show you how it works. Hi, send a message. I will also write hi. As you can see, the member won't know who has replied to them, but whereas if you don't use the anonymous command, the person will know that who has helped them out. So if you want to set up the anonymous command, you may. Okay, so you can now close the ticket. Close. Write any reason. Okay, so you can set up a prefix like this. Prefix. Oops. Well, it's fine. Okay, so I will set up the prefix to default once again. Prefix. and now my prefix is default. You can write logging for removing the log channel like this. The log channel has been removed. And for enabling logging, once again you can write this command. Okay, you can write blacklist member like this. You can use this when a person tries to spam or just ping people for no reason with the help of modmail. You can use this command. 1 minute. Oh sorry. Blacklist at. Now I am blacklisted. I can't use the modmail support for this server. It's very useful to prevent spams and stuff, because of which the rules get broken. As you can see, the server has blacklisted you. And for whitelisting, once again, I think you'll have to write this. Whitelist at member. Now I'm whitelisted, I can use the command now. You can write close all to close all the tickets if needed, and you can write support for the both server of the modmail bot. They will help you out. Although you can comment down in the comments for any help. You have both options. I guess all the main stuff has been explained now. So thanks for seeing the video, and also please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and see ya, bye.